Hi, hello. My name is Ravivarman, taking care of marketing in S&T Plastics. So we are belongs to S&T group of companies, and we do located in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. Here we displayed our plastic machines. So nearly across pan India, we have supplied 1,500 plus machines. Installation has done, and we are catered into a lot of industry segments, and we do have specific solution for the customers, and we are offering here. And here HIPLEX, we do have good falls from last 2 days, and we do have good inquiries for next orders also. Thank you. So here we do have a better response comparatively. Yesterday, today we have more footfalls, and customers are looking for unique solutions which we can able to provide to them. And they do have certain kind of requirement related to specific industry segments. So we are providing solution for them also. Yeah, thank you.